Amanda just got a new phone. She couldn't last 1 year with a Samsung.
Nope, it wasn't.
And we're lucky. We just got on AT&T and we got the Next deal. Is that what it's called? So we can get new phones every year. I knew this was going to be a problem. And I'm like, we have to get this.
He knows me well.
Yes, I do. And she's the one that wanted to get a Samsung. And I always loved my Samsung, but I'm going to switch back to. So let's start unboxing this.
Can I just say that it took 2.5 weeks to get this in?
Yeah. And that's another one of my points about tech. If you wait, like people that pre-ordered earlier got them sooner. Like if you wait to order your tech, you may not. Wow.
Whoa.
That looks good. That
This
almost
is
looks
the-
purple.
This is the blue.
It's like
version.
a flat.
Very pretty.
Yeah. Like a flat color.
I like how there's like this distinction right here.
Yeah.
I can't
You're
speak.
never going to see it.
No,
I mean, it's always,
case.
everybody.
Unless you have a clear one.
Yeah. You're right.
But this is,
How many cases did you buy?
I have 2. I'm returning 30.
Oh, okay.
Because
okay.
they weren't MagSafe.
Okay.
So, this is I haven't had a new iPhone in like 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
The last one I had was a 12 Pro Max. This is the 17 Pro Max.
Wow.
So
you went for the Max this time, because last time she wanted a smaller phone, and
yeah.
I never want a small phone. I want the biggest phone I could get. Well, that was easy.
How's your...
Remove that. Hey, there's a cord in here.
Yeah, so C to C, I believe, right?
Yeah. Yeah, C to C. And that's what my last one was C, I believe, right? I was already on C with iPhone.
I have seen some people talking about how this is so raised on here.
Mm-hmm.
So, but, I mean, I have protection with a case and everything, so I'm not too worried about it. But
And they are really talking about how good the video
yes,
is on this.
they were filming movies with them.
And they've done that before with them. And we used to do our YouTube with ours. And they do great. Now the cameras, I can't wait to see when she turns this on, the camera. But we did one, watch this video. We was shooting pictures with the Samsung of the moon. And this with the moon, and it's not even close. So we're comparing apples to Samsung.
Not apples to oranges.
Yeah. I mean, I'm totally going to switch back to iPhone. And the reason why is the apps.
We have discovered.
You cannot get a lot of apps on Samsung.
Yeah. Hello.
We tried to do, so there, golf grips. I was trying to get golf grips, and they've got like an app on iPhone that you can size yourself with the app. And it was just like, I couldn't get it on my Android. And Android, I think their market share is way more than worldwide. I would say not in the United States. Do you think so?
What's that? Just showing them, obviously, the steps you have to take when you first get it.
Make sure you like and subscribe and click the bell for notifications, because in a week or so, we're going to see what she thinks compared to her Samsung. We'll see, what she misses with the Samsung. And one of my things I missed was the fingerprint scanner that's in the screen that you can't even see. That's one thing I missed. And the back button and the home button and that stuff it's 2 totally different phones.
Yeah, very much so.
But the iPhone, the health stuff's better.
Mm-hmm.
The apps, there was even like my flight simulator stuff, I couldn't get apps. There was a golf launch monitor that I had to have an iPhone for. There's a launch monitor that you can use without a launch monitor, just the phone camera on here. You can't get that on Android. And if you guys know any more apps that you can't get on here, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah.
But this one here, it also, Apple purchased my favorite weather app, was one of the biggest reasons I switched.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah.
Yes. It was called Dark Sky. And this app was insane. I mean, I could tell people to the minute where I was at. Oh, it's going to start raining in
And it was
17
always right.
minutes.
It was crazy
Oh,
how
it was
accurate it was.
crazy. Like, I
So
loved
that's their
it.
default weather.
That is
right?
what they've kind of put that in their default weather app,
Yeah.
and it's not the same.
No.
It's not as good, but it's in there. It's just not as good as what it was before. I don't know why. I don't know why they just didn't leave it and just name it iPhone weather or
Yeah.
Apple weather or whatever
Apple
they
weather would have been a good name for it.
whatever they did. But
I'm super excited. I
she
can't hardly stand
she got a watch. Oh, you already got your watch
Yeah,
on?
I put the watch on because it has to be linked to the
You
phone.
have to switch watches when you switch phones.
Yeah, it's just.
It's-
And after having the Android, I totally like the Apple Watch better.
You like the Apple Watch better?
Yeah.
I do too, because I feel like I've got a smart ring now, and my Samsung Galaxy Watch, which I love it being round. That's the one thing
Yeah,
I like.
I thought I would be a big, but I like the square.
Yeah, it didn't bother me. I may get an Ultra when I get one,
Yeah.
but it's just so much better with the health stuff.
Yes.
This ring, to me, is doing better than my Samsung. So it's, I don't know. I don't know.
We're gonna find out.
We are going to find
And we're
out.
gonna let you know.
Absolutely. I'm excited. She got a new phone. It feels, I want to feel it.
It's not as
Premium.
heavy as I thought it would.
Yeah, it's very light. Is
And
it,
you're- and
is
this
it
is a Pro
titanium?
Max.
Titanium, probably.
What was it
That's
last
what it
time
feels
they
like.
switched last time?
I don't
It
know.
went from either titanium to aluminum or aluminum to titanium.
They still have the 3-camera thing. They still have the thing up here, the little notch thing, which, I don't like that. But
Yeah.
it's nice, feels good.
It does.
I like the rounded edges. We had one phone that had like squared off
Yeah.
edges, and it was
I
horrific.
didn't like that one.
I love the rounded edges better. Screen looks good. They all look good. I mean, there you have it. Unboxing. You know how to set up your own phone. We're not going to bother
No.
you with that.
It's pretty easy now.
But see what Amanda thinks of her after she's had it a week compared to the Samsung.
The biggest thing is just getting all the apps on there.
Now, the watch looks really thin. What is that, the 10 or
That's
11?
the 10, yeah.
That's the 10. She didn't get the 11 because they basically...
It was more...
and they was close in specs, you said? Like, you didn't want anything more from the newer one.
Yeah, and this will do... Was it blood pressure?
It will warn you of blood pressure, which means it can do blood pressure. it
Yeah,
sounds
I
like.
would think. I mean...
So that's awesome. I can't wait to get one. That's going to be a big deal for me. It's going to be going off all the time.
Let's talk about your grandma. His grandma,
Oh, yeah. Okay.
who's, clearly elderly, she wanted something that would, if she fell, would alert somebody. So she bought the new Apple Watch. She indeed fell, and it automatically called 911.
Wow. That is awesome.
And
Now-
it had happened like right after she got it.
Now, didn't she say like it gave you a warning? Like
Yeah,
you
it may
could
say,
you
"Have
could
you
shut it
fallen?" or
off.
something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
do you
I
need
don't-
assistance or whatever?
But that's pretty incredible.
Yes. That is life saving.
So you're not having now if you want to, that's fine. But they have those programs where you can wear those life alert things, and I'm
Yes.
sure that's a monthly charge.
Yes. Yeah, and
Which
you
I
can
don't
get
know, if you're eventually saving money buying the Apple Watch.
I
compared
would
to-
say that's way better. And if you get one with cell service,
Yes.
on its own and not with your phone. You can go out running and walking and have a phone on your wrist. It's got its own cell service.
Yeah.
I think
Very
that's
cool.
awesome. So if they fell or whatever, and you didn't have to worry about your phone. I mean, I see people running around carrying their phones in their arm. Do you
They
see
make
them?
the things you could put
I
around
know,
and
but
it goes here.
By-
Why would you want to hold it and run?
I don't
That doesn't
know.
make
I
any
see it all the
sense.
time. If you do that, can you tell us
Why?
what's your thought process on it? Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
We'll catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, that is.
She's a beaut.
I bet you're excited
I
to
can't
turn
wait.
it on. Are you going to start now?
Well, no, because I've got to
You
go
want-
and do all the
you want-
transfers and stuff.
You want to do that video real quick?
That's fine.
This next one? Just keep rolling. Okay.